Hello esteemed colleagues, in this tutorial video we'll guide you through the process of adding or editing a new task in the planned maintenance module of the WAYL system. Start by accessing the maintenance module. You can do this by clicking on maintenance on the system's homepage or selecting it from the main menu on the left hand side of your screen. Upon opening the maintenance module, you'll be greeted by its main page. To add a new task, press the Add Work button in the top right corner of the screen. This action will prompt a pop-up window to appear asking you to provide the necessary details. The name field is where you create a unique name for the task. Be sure to include as much relevant information as possible to aid future identification of searches. Next, fill out the work number field. This is where you input a unique work number in accordance with your organization's policy or internal rules. To avoid future confusion during searches, please ensure that the number isn't duplicated. The interval field allows for customization according to your needs. It specifies the time period after which maintenance on the selected equipment is due. A drop-down field to the right of the interval field allows you to select the units of time for the interval, be it hours, days, months, years, dockings, or as needed. This determines the value of the number you have entered in the interval field. As an example, if maintenance is performed every month, ensure the correct value is entered. The interval field can be 0 if maintenance isn't planned in the immediate future, but remember it cannot accept text values. After the interval and its value are determined, the last done and expiry fields will autofill, though they can still be manually adjusted if needed. For a newly created job, you'll need to select a category. The category field values are derived from your previously created root categories. To ensure clarity, you can add a description to the work detailing any specific checks or procedures to be done during maintenance. Additionally, attachments can be added to any work being created. These attachments could be photos of the equipment, manuals, or short description in any preferred format. In the Available Ranks section, work can be assigned to a specific rank, meaning only individuals with, for instance, a Chief Engineer rank can perform this work. You can assign ranks using the Edit Ranks button, and even select multiple ranks for the same job. If the newly created task requires spare parts, these can be added in the Required Parts section by clicking on the Add Required Part button. This will prompt a pop-up window to appear asking you to select the necessary part by using the Categories section or the search field at the top. Parts can be located by their names, catalog number, part number, and so on. After the required part is located, input the required quantity on the right side of the page and close the pop-up window by clicking the cross sign in the top right corner. This action will add the part to the work. Once all necessary information is filled out, you have three options. You can print information about this work or save it as PDF using the Print button. The Archive button allows you to review the work history for this specific task. However, this is usually not applicable for newly created works. Lastly, press the Save button to finalize the addition of the work. After clicking the Save button, your work will appear in the list. If you need to make any changes, find your newly created work and double-click on it. I trust that you will find this information helpful. Thank you for your attention.